Hello, yes. Keybirbs. Keybirbs. I got this build for you guys here. So here's a keyboard build. We got Gateron black linears lubed with Krytox tool 5G2. We got a SK61S with foam packed to the brim to the PCB. We got your stabs. These are stock stabs lubed up with the same Krytox tool 5G2. Now we got some masking tape where the stab wires would be. Then I made a stencil out of the plate onto some foam so I could have some foam in between my PCB and the plate, which looks like that. The LED still shines through, no worries. Slapped my Gaterons on there, and voila, it's a finished keyboard. Here's a sound test.